Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jadalyn. In today's video, I am going to be doing a bunch of tie-dye pieces that I have been seeing going around TikTok and YouTube. It was really fun to make. If you want to see how all of these pieces came out, then just keep on watching. So jumping right into this video, these are the items that you will be needing: some tie-dye, warm water, dish soap, a little container to put your dye and water mixture in, and some rubber bands. So the method that I'm using for all of my shirts is the scrunching method. You basically just start from the bottom and just scrunch up and use your rubber bands to hold it all in place. I used this one just because the pattern was the one that kind of looked the best to me. What I'm basically doing here is just saturating the entire top with this color, front and back. You'll see in a second that I undo the shirt, and the reason I did this is because when you undo the top, you'll see that there's like a bunch of white spots, and the tie-dye look that I'm going for is a lot more tie-dyed than that. So I'll just scrunch up wherever I think there's a need for more dye, and when I am done, I will scrunch it all back up and put it in a bag and set it to the side. So for the remaining tops, I'm going to be doing that same method as I did on the blue one. This one I'm using the pearl gray Rit dye, which is pretty nice. It's a really light purple-ish gray color. Nice. That looks nice. You like it?
Yeah.
Smile. So now with this black top, I didn't use the Rit dye. I just used bleach, but I'm still doing that same scrunching method. And so this last Rit dye color that I'm using is called the tan color, and I absolutely loved how this turned out. It's so pretty. It's a very pretty, like, nude pinkish color. Okay, so at this point it's been maybe 2 hours. I just have all of the pieces and the bags just setting, and then here are these. My mom did this one, my boyfriend did that one, and my sister did that one right there. We're just letting them air dry. Yeah, so excited. So at this point it's the next day, and what I'm doing here is I'm just rinsing out the top until the water runs clear. So I'm so happy on how all of these came out. I may crop the purple one, I'm not sure yet, but all of these came out absolutely beautiful.
Hey, y'all go check out my channel. There's no video
videos yet, but I will upload soon.
So as you can see, I actually cropped this one and it's absolutely my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.